Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn something really fun and creative. We will be talking about advertisements, specifically how to create your very own radio advert. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to design a product, write an advert, and even perform it like a radio commercial. Let's take a look at what we'll be doing today. First, we'll read and understand an advert. Then, we'll identify adjectives, which are words that describe things. After that, you'll get to design your own product and, finally, create a radio advert to share with your class. Ready? Let's get started. Now, let's begin by reading a sample advert together. This advert is about a product called the Lumina torch. Let me read it to you. This is the new Lumina torch. Or is it a pen? It's both. This small object can be kept in your pocket for when you need it. You can use it for camping, power cuts, or writing in the dark. It's made of plastic and comes in light green or dark purple. There are cheaper torches if you want to save money, but they aren't as good as this one. No other torch is as useful as the Lumina. So throw away your old torch and buy the Lumina today. You'll find out just how special it is. Now, think about what this advert tells you. What is the product? What is it made of? And what can you use it for? Let's answer these questions together. Great job! Let's go over the answers. The product being advertised is the Lumina torch, which is also a pen. It's made of plastic and you can use it for various purposes like camping, power cuts, or writing in the dark. By understanding what the advert says, you can see how it makes the product sound useful and special. Next, we'll focus on something called adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, things like people, places, and objects. In adverts, adjectives are very important because they help make the product sound exciting and special. Let's go back to the Lumina advert and find the adjectives. Remember, adjectives describe things like the size, color, or quality of a product. For example, small is an adjective that describes the object. Take a moment to read the advert again and underline all the adjectives you can find. Did you find the adjectives? Let's check the answers together. In the advert, we can see adjectives like small, new, useful, special, cheaper, and good. These words help us understand what makes the product unique and desirable. Adjectives play a key role in persuading people to buy the product. Now, it's your turn to get creative. Think of a new product that you'd like to advertise. It could be something completely new, or a twist on something that already exists. Use your imagination. You'll need to fill in some details about your product, like its name, what makes it special, what it's made of, and what it can be used for. Don't forget to think of some adjectives to describe your product. For example, is it shiny, portable, or strong? These descriptions will help make your product sound amazing. Here's an example to help you out. Let's say you've created a product called the Glow Right Pen. It's special because it glows in the dark and has a built-in eraser. It's made of plastic and special glowing ink. You can use it for writing in the dark or correcting mistakes easily. To describe it, you might use adjectives like bright, innovative, useful, special, and unique. This is just one example. You can come up with something completely different. The most important thing is to be creative and have fun with it. Now that you've designed your product, it's time to create a radio advert. A radio advert is like a short commercial that people hear on the radio. In your advert, you need to introduce your product and explain why it's special. You should also include at least 2 facts about your product. like what it can do. Finally, give your opinions about the product. Why do you think it's great? Remember to use adjectives to make your product sound exciting. The goal is to make people want to buy it. Here's an example of a radio advert for the Glow-Right pen. Introducing the Glow-Right pen, the pen that lights up your writing. It's special because it glows in the dark and has a built-in eraser, so no more mistakes. Made of durable plastic and glowing ink, it's perfect for late-night study sessions or writing in low light. It's bright, innovative, and the only pen you'll ever need. Don't miss out. Get your Glow-Right pen today. Notice how the advert uses adjectives like bright and innovative to describe the pen, and how it explains what makes the product special. You can follow this structure for your own advert. Now, it's your turn to shine. Practice your radio advert by reading it out loud a few times. When you're ready, you'll perform your advert for the class. Remember to speak clearly and with enthusiasm. Your goal is to make your advert sound exciting and convincing. Imagine you're talking to someone who really needs your product, and you want them to be as excited about it as you are. Good luck and have fun performing your advert.